So welcome team to the third XCOM meeting. We do not have the SAA with us and the Vice President PR with us. Anyway, we will go ahead with as was planned.
Anthony, Varun is trying to log in, but again, it's asking for an authentication.
Okay, so maybe you could do the same thing. Try with the link, download the thing. So if we just write it to him, yeah. The first thing up is a VP membership. If you could give us an update on the membership renewals.
Good afternoon, XCOM. Membership, we are doing well. We have already completed 80% of our membership renewals for the second cycle. I have just been updated by our treasurer Gopal, and now we have five of them who are supposed to renew. I think four of them will renew by the end of this week. I mean, one of them will renew by the end of this week.
This week or
That
tomorrow?
Manish Salia, Anthony, please follow up with him.
Yes.
Shivani Keni will pay by the end of this week. I am doubtful about one of the members who had joined and who is also not part of any of our meetings.
Okay.
Tanuja Gauss.
Yes.
I tried contacting her, but there was no response.
Mm-hmm.
Rishabh said he will pay maybe today or tomorrow. So I am also I'm affirmative. Tomorrow we should be able to. Yes, that's it from me.
Okay. So
We are doing
basically,
well.
great. So what we need is Shivani, Rishabh, Swayam, Manish Kosalia, and Tanuja. Okay. Now understand one thing. We started with 20. So for whatever calculations we use, we will be using 20 as the base. So
Okay.
though the active members are 22, 20 is the base, which means 80% is counted on 20. Okay. And hence the renewals also will be on that. Now there is one thing here, if I would quickly add, that is once we complete in this month, right, before 31st, before the end of September, we will complete the renewals for this cycle. However, there is another, which means we are already qualifying for that award which is there. Okay. Apart from that, if in next month, in October, if we if 10 members renew for another term, let's say, which means uh, 3,500 each one. Okay, for 10 members, if they do, that means our validity will go up till end of uh, end of September 2020. No, end of September 2021, which means we will complete the whole thing. That means it becomes a 1 year membership. You know, there's this thing of 1 year membership. So if that happens, we get another award, as in we get all the pins. So we need 10 people for that. What I was strategizing is we could look at the 7 XCOM members doing it. Okay, if we all agree, and I mean, again, it's up to everybody to give a final word. Nevertheless, if you're trying to get 10, we can look at 7 XCOM members, okay, and 3 whoever is interested. That way, the membership will be till September 2021, and everybody will qualify. We all get a pin as well. Whoever is renewing. If there is somebody who doesn't want to, again, we're not forcing, but we will try. So I think that is what we can look at. So memberships, VP PR, sorry, VP membership. Maybe you can take a note of that as well. Okay. So good. Anyway, we are good on memberships. However, we have to look at two things. One is, since we already have 2 members, if we can get 2 more members, it will help us with our DCP goal. Okay, DCP. So during this renewal cycle, if we get 4, then we get 1 point for DCP. So we are at 2, so we need 2 more. And if we add 1 more, that means total making it 3, then we get the Smedley Award. Smedley Award also is, I think, towards the end of this renewal cycle only. Okay, so maybe you can take a lead on that, in terms of, even if there are members who are waiting to come for meetings and join our meetings and all that, to look at it. If you could take them to any other meeting just for them to give a feel, and eventually get them. You can always inform the club, hey, this is my guest, and bringing him or her to show. Nothing like it. Okay, you can always do that. why I'm saying is if they wait for our meetings to happen, they will happen. Our first meeting will be only later, right? So we may not have enough time. Nevertheless, I think we can look at that. So that's with VB membership. Anything else you want to add? Anybody wants to add? If not, we'll go to the next point.
I've got something to say. I think we'll keep it at the end.
Okay.
From
No, if it's about membership, you can go ahead with it now.
It's not about
So
the
I have an update.
Yes.
Anthony paid me 4,000 rupees, okay, and I paid 1,200 rupees.
Okay.
And then I replied her that you paid excess. Then what she told.
Can we put our videos off for some time? We cannot hear Gopal. It could be the bandwidth. Gopal, I'm sorry, we cannot hear you.
That
Gopal,
she came to the. Am I audible now?
yes, better.
Hello.
Yes, better now.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Gopal, you're audible.
Fine. See, Farida paid 4,000 rupees, whereas she's supposed to pay only 1,200 rupees. When I responded to her, what she said is, she will pay for the next renewal also. So she's asked me how much extra she has to pay so that her renewal for the next time also is being taken care. So what does it mean that we can count her also for the next term?
Yes. Okay, great. So, so we can count her as well. So you can just tell her how much her thing is pending, what amount is pending for her. So if she has paid 4,000, right? So it will be, it is basically 3,500 plus 1,200 for her. 1,200 now and 3,500 for renewal, which means next month if we can take. So she'll become a 1-year member. So that comes to, how much it comes to?
4,700.
Yeah, so she'll have to just transfer 700 and then we are good. So we already have one member who will go for like that 1-year renewal.
Okay.
Okay, so if you could just take care of that, Gopal, then it will, then it's easier for us. Then we only have to get 9 members.
I'll respond to her.
Yes, great.
Anthony, what is the timeline for this? The last date?
I will talk about awards.
Not about awards, about renewals. Just
yes. Yeah, because those are awards which are for renewals. So I will bring that up. Okay. But for DCP goals, understand DCP goals renewals should happen before time. That is before the end of the cycle. And we need to add 2 members to get that 1 point because we have already added 2. Totally, we need to add 4. Okay. Good. Next, I would like to look at the accounts. Okay. I will quickly share my screen. Gopal, would you like to go?
Yeah, Anthony.
Yeah. Okay, Gopal, I'll quickly present from whatever I understand and then you can pitch in whenever needed, okay? Fine. So this was when we started as a club and we chartered. This is what we had to pay. 91,000. Yes, the total is what we had to.
We received was 91. Audible?
No, Gopal, you're breaking.
Yeah, total, no, 9.
Is Gopal speaking? Because I can't.
No, I cannot hear him.
Okay. Abrar, could you send the meeting ID and password again to Varun? Okay, or on the group again, please. Until then, I'll present.
I'll do that.
Okay. Yes. So what I was
Hello.
saying. Yes. Gopal, we can hear you now. Not a problem. Edenin, can you confirm if you can hear me? Edenin? Vishal, can you hear me?
Yeah, Anthony.
Okay, Abrar, I hope you can as well. Gopal
Yes, Jordan.
just joined again. Okay, Gopal, what I will do? Gopal,
Yeah,
if
am
you
I
join.
audible now?
Yes, yes, much on. Yes, much better.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry for the delay.
No problem.
Sorry for the network.
No issues. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So, we have three spreadsheets. The first spreadsheet is about the fee structure. And when we started the club, we collected 19,260 rupees. There is a breakup in the next page, how much money we received from whom. Initially, we started the club with 91,260. Yeah. So if you see here, this is a 91,160 plus Clyde, contributed 500 rupees. Total becomes 91,660. And then after that, then we started the club. After we chartered the club, the two more members joined. Can you stay back in the
Yes.
previous? Yeah. So after that, two more members joined, Anisha and Ashley. So Anisha and Ashley, because they joined, their effective joining date is on 1st of September. Therefore, we collected 5,100 for one cycle plus 600 rupees for 1 month. So for them, it's 5,700 rupees we collected from each of them and we added them. Now for the other 20 members, if you look at, can you go up? Yeah, this is the second cycle. The first cycle is the one where we started the club. Now second cycle, typically it starts from 1st of October to 31st of March 2021. So, each member has to pay 1,200 rupees except three transfer members, Sion, Anthony, and Vishal. So, barring these three members, all the members have to pay 1,200 rupees. So, if you look at, if you come, go down, the total amount you are supposed to collect for the second cycle is 32,100 rupees. So, against that, we collected so far 26,100 rupees, and still we have to collect 6,000 rupees. As VP membership Abrar mentioned, there are 5 members who are yet to pay the fees. Out of those 5 members, 1 member is not responding. Other 4 members also, we may be in a position to collect their dues in the next 3-4 days. So that by end of this week, end of next week, I think we should pay all the members except 1 member who is responding. To go to the next spreadsheet, this is a ledger document. The amount we have received versus the expenditure, everything we have put it in this document. If you look at, these are the details, date-wise, how much we have received, how much we have spent, and if you come to the last one, that is a balance. Come down, yeah. So we have 4,118 rupees as of now with us. So this is the surplus amount with us. So this is the account statement. This does not include the 2,800 rupees, which Farida's money I'm having. I am not included that in this account.
So once she agrees, and once she sends you everything, you can put it.
Yes.
So that you will
Then
have it.
fine. So we have 4,100 rupees, 4,118 rupees available with us.
Okay, great. Thank you. Anybody has any questions with regards to the accounts? Vishal, Abrar?
No.
Anthony.
Okay, great. So I think Gopal, you've maintained it pretty well. Okay, we will continue with this. So as the term is over, the moment we start with the new term, maybe you can start with a new maybe another sheet or something. I don't know. You decide, because we will also have to appoint, let's say, an external audit kind of a thing with AD, through AD, and publish this. Okay, and why? That I will talk about towards the end. Okay, because it qualifies for transparency, and then also allows, there is an award for a treasurer who keeps everything very transparent. Records are available online on the drive, and it is audited at the time, at the end of each cycle, basically. That's it. So we have just 2 cycles, right? So yeah. Okay. Yes. So I think we are good with that. Let's go to the next point. Decision on the modalities of the meetings before the club contest, 18th and 2nd September. Now, we had decided a couple of education sessions and all that that would happen on 18th and 2nd, because our club humorous speech contest and evaluation contest is after 2nd October. Hence, Vishal, we were looking at 18th September is the next meeting, so that's fine. 2nd September, we are looking at a speakathon of icebreakers. Okay, so
Yes.
all the new all the members who have started pathways, if you could have, 4 to 5, that's what we are looking at. We could have a speakathon and then not have a table topic session, and instead have an educational session by for mentorship, for mentoring by Toastmaster by DTM Farida. Okay,
Perfectly fine.
okay, so that will be for 2nd of October, because
Yes.
18th September is already set, so we're not touching that. After which, the club contest is on
16th October.
16th October, which means the 2 meetings and then we have the contest, so there'll be nothing in that sense. Now, what we were planning earlier about how to do evaluation and all that, maybe we could look at, I think division is organizing something in terms of evaluation. So we could direct the people there. Okay, is that
I
good?
agree. Yeah.
So that way we'll have the meetings in place, and the club contest will be fine. Hmm? Any questions
Perfect.
here? If not, we'll move to the next point. Okay, since nobody's saying anything, the next point is planning of humorous speech contest and evaluation contest. VPN, would you like to moderate? I mean, go ahead.
Thank you, Toastmaster Anthony. Uh, with regards to the club humorous and evaluation contest, we were thinking of asking area director Toastmaster Nigel to help us organize it, because it would give an opportunity to the members to participate. Being a new club, we don't have many experienced Toastmasters altogether, and it would give each one of us an opportunity to participate. Plus, we'll get the necessary guidance in organizing an event. So the next time during the next cycle, when we have the international speech as well as the table topic contest, we can organize it by ourselves. So we'll know how it's supposed to be organized. Even though we have sufficient members who have experience, been part of Toastmasters for a long time, the requirement to organize a humorous speech evaluation contest requires a number quite more than what we require right now, and it would give an opportunity to the new members, the present members who are part of the club, to highlight their skills to the new members, as well as get awards at the uh, area as well as the division level, if possible.
Yes.
So accordingly, I'll get in contact with Toastmaster Nigel as well as DTM Jervis on this front, and accordingly ask for the contest chair as well as the chief judge, because the contest chair is responsible for organizing the contest as a whole.
Yes. So if you could if you could ask them to provide with a contest chair, and because contest chair I think appoints chief judge if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So that everything will be done by them, and you as VP Ed in the capacity of the role that you are bound by, you could assist them. Okay, and we are there as an excom to by your side in terms of whenever you need us. Because what will happen is since we are participating, it was generally advisable that the chief the contest chair does it. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So I think that is good. So if you can get in touch, because we'll need 2 separate ones, one for evaluation, one for humorous speech. We would also ensure maybe in the next meeting, ask people how many of them would participate, because even if they have not started their journey, they can still participate, and we're looking at that. Okay. Apart from that, we shall also note for for evaluation, we will need one test speaker. So somebody who's not speaking let's say, who's not participating in who's not participating in education, can maybe do a can do a test speech. One of the ones who have already started their paths. Okay.
Okay.
Or we can
I'll
get somewhere else also. That's fine. But we need to remember that.
the contest chair selects it, or the chief judge is the only person who elects it, not the VPET of the club as well.
Okay, fine. Okay, I was not aware of that. Test speech is basically a speech that they will be delivering, and the evaluators, 4 or 5 evaluators, will evaluate that. That's how the contest goes. Okay, that's for Eden N. Okay, so Vishal, if you could just work with the ADs into getting this sorted at the earliest, it will help, and you can keep us posted on the group also. However, Vishal, we can also ask our mentor Farida for her inputs as well, as to saying that okay, this is what we've decided in the XCOM, because she wasn't there, right? Anyway, maybe that would help because she's a club mentor, and I think because it's the first time we're organizing, it would be nice also to take views of the mentor, don't you think?
And please note, you mentioned the same thing in the agenda as well.
Yes, Eden, so do put it in the agenda as well. Yes, so with that done, we will have to look at creating on Easy Speak a template for contest, okay, and things like that. So we'll start working on it. We'll do like a time bound activity wherein step by step, so that by the time we arrive at the contest, we have things in place. Also, since PR is not here, but I think in the minutes you can also mention that PR can already start working in terms of whatever certificates are required according to
The poster as well as the certificates.
yes, and something which is very direct again, but she will have to work with the contest chair, if I'm not mistaken. Anything else you want to add here about humorous speech contest and evaluation contest?
I would request all the XCOM members to take a path, because some of our XCOM members haven't taken a path yet.
Yes, please choose your pathways. Okay, if at all if there are any queries, we are right here. Okay, you can ask. So yeah, do the pathways, and please let's participate in the contest. Okay, humorous speech, Abrar, humorous speech. Okay, Eden and you too. Gopal, again, you are new, but you can definitely do it. Okay, if at all you're not comfortable, there is evaluation. Vishal, you can do both. Okay.
Yeah, may attempt.
Yes, great. So
and one more thing, while Anthony, one second. After you log into Pathways, I would advise you that as soon as I register you in the XCOM in the Easy Speak.
Can't hear you, Vishal.
Vishal, we can't hear you.
Vishal, sorry, can't hear you.
Coming weeks, log into Easy Speak once.
Yes. Okay.
Because it gets confirmed that you're the XCOM members there.
Right. Because the email will come.
Yeah.
You'll get a password in your email, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
So if we are done with this, can we move on to the next point? If there's nothing to add. Okay. A quick update on the awards. Give me a moment. I'm opening the PDF that has all the awards listed. And there are quite some which we can look at. Yes. I'll just share my screen. Give me a moment. Okay. The screen is visible, right? Yes?
Yes, Anthony.
Okay.
Yes.
So with the Hall of Fames, the awards that we have District Director Awards, so that the district level. Okay. Toastmaster of the Year. Now, this every district will, sorry, each member, one member from each division will be awarded this. So, Eden and, all the awards that you have got and all that, keep a copy of it. Ensure that, there is a proof that you were present there as well. Because, you get
Okay.
points, and then we will send your entry, and not only you, I mean, even the others. So we've mentioned this last time as well, but I'm trying to bring out this point again. It will be really good because whenever you win awards or you attend meetings outside, you get points. So every time you attend a meeting, maybe do a screenshot or something and keep a note of it. And eventually, VP Ed and president will acknowledge it before sending it to the AD. Okay.
So
Next,
what do I have to take a screenshot of? Me attending the meeting?
yes, any meetings you've gone to.
Okay.
And also note, your name should be mentioned in the agenda,
Yes.
All right.
because if it's not mentioned in the agenda, it's not valid. It's not considered valid.
In their agenda, that is if you're doing a role. But if you're going
Yeah.
as a
Because
guest,
I have a question here.
yes, go ahead, Abrar.
If someone has not taken up a role, then does that person get a point? I mean,
Yeah. You
get
have to
acknowledged?
yes, you have to attend. It's your attendance that counts.
Okay.
Okay. The next one being Distinguished Toastmaster. Again, this is DTM, too soon for us. But I think in our club, we're looking for Siona to get this.
Uh, this question still holds when if you are not mentioned as a guest in their agenda, because when they verify, like we had a session yesterday, Toastmaster
Yeah.
Victoria, visitor who she mentioned that they visit very often, so she put them as present. So if your name is not marked in that list, you're not considered as a for the club.
Okay.
Remember that.
So, Vishal, can you get some
How are
clarity?
you going?
Vishal, can you get some clarity on maybe later on
Yeah, definitely.
what if those who do not use Easy Speak the clubs and we still attend? So how will they be? Or whether they will have to tell the VPN and their VPN saying that, hey, please mark as a guest and whatever. So I think we'll get some clarity on this.
Definitely.
Yeah, and then we can put it
Yeah.
across.
Sure.
Next one is the PQD Awards. The first one is a guiding star. Now this is for club mentors, okay, which is either for Farida or what's his name, Nigel. Okay, so it's up to them, but it would be nice to have them because the training and all was done. But I think they'll take care of it. Excellence in education. Now clubs to complete 15 pathways level. Again, something that's not completely difficult, but it could be something which is challenging because we're all new to the pathways. Nobody is existing so far. Okay. But anyway, we can look at this later. Now, this is something that I'm looking at, a flag bearer. New clubs to achieve distinguished status. Distinguished status is we need 5 DCP points, and which is doable, completely doable. Out of 10, we can easily get 5. Okay, so because 2 points we get only if you attend trainings directly. Okay, then renewals and status and all, if you do another 2. So it's very easy. So we can become flag bearers as a new club. Okay, and this we can get it only this year because we are a new club just this year, right? So we can look at that. Phoenix, not for us because we are not less than 12. I mean, yes. Pathway star, yes. Any member who completes one path between this to this. So if and mentor at least 2 in your own club. So Vishal, since you have already started, I'm looking at for me as well. I'm also looking at Meenal because it's for people who are starting after 1st July. Siona may not because Siona had already started her path if I'm not mistaken. And anybody who, yeah, whoever starts a path between 1st July to this thing.
No, I am not valid. I can't take part in this because I started a path way back.
Okay, fine. So then we'll have to look at. I mean, I think I can be a part of this.
If I can finish the second path, then it's valid. Huh?
Yes. Okay, so that good standing and all that. Dashboard and membership, mentorship approved by VPI. So this is fine. Leading club. This is something we can get because 7 officers, we all 7 have to attend training TLTP, the first one that we attended. Okay, and the second one is in the next part of it. Okay, and
January.
organize speech contest and all. So this is very good. We can do this. We can get this. Shining clubs to achieve distinguished points, which means 5 points out of 10 by 30th of December and qualify for DCP program by March 2021. That means in the first half of the term, then we get the Shining Club. Again, not very difficult, but yes, it can be a little challenging because we're all starting from level 1, as in most of the members are new. Then Golden Club Award, not so soon because it requires judges and chief judges. Club growth medley is what we are looking at, Abrar. We have to add 5 new, dual or reinstated. Any of these 5 between 1st to September 30th. So now we have already added Anisha and Ashley as new members. If we can add 3 more, we get the Smedley Award. If not, we have to just anyhow add 2 so that we get the DCP point. If not, we will lose one point of DCP. Talk Up Toastmasters is again, this is in the next cycle. Just how we're doing Smedleys for this cycle, Talk Up Toastmasters for next cycle. That's what I've noticed. So you do the similar thing. Beat the Clock again is an additional, what I'm noticing when you're coming towards the end. Okay, that is something very similar.
Yes.
Beat the Clock. The Trailblazer, not for us because it's for membership less than 12. Torchbearer is, this is what I was talking about. 10 members do annual renewals, okay, during the September renewal cycle by 31st. So that means we have to renew in this cycle. So we have already, everybody has paid, right? All of us has paid and renewed. But we have till 31st October. That means once the September is over, we can just start with adding another 3,500, okay, before 31st October, by which our membership will be valid till till the end of September 2021. Okay, and we get the Torchbearer award as well. So TI membership pin for all the 10 members, whoever is getting, and the club gets a plaque. Okay, so the plaque is also there. So at the moment we have what's her name? The mentor Farida, who's agreed to it. If the 7 XCOM can do it, right, that will be nothing like it. So we'll be at 8. We could ask 2 more. We could ask the division director, I mean, Siona, if she is okay with it, and maybe another member or 2, so that we could get this award. Yeah, I think this is doable as well. So membership, keep an eye on this. Okay. In fact, membership, what you could do is also, even any new members who come, right, we could look at them maybe doing like a year thing so that they get this. But then again, it's all up to how you pass it on to them. There's another thing we were also looking at is that, if there's anybody, many clubs have done it, I know now. If anybody who renews for a year is paying lesser than what they would pay if they had to do, term, for the term. For example, for this term, we are paying 3,500. So if you do for a year, you won't pay 7, but let's say 6,500 or 6,000, something like that. Some clubs have done it. So if you can later maybe think of something like that, nothing like it. But again, since we're a new club, we have to ensure that we do have some funds at least in case we have to organize maybe showcase events or PR or anything else in future.
But who will put in the money, the remaining 500? In case we give some discount.
No. Nobody will put it. It's what is happening is we are accounting for the transfer and all that, right? We are accounting for transfer, exchange rate and all that. Correct. Yeah. So somewhere that extra money we always take because in fact it's normally more. Some clubs take 4,000 and all for one renewal. We are at least charging 3,500 because there is venue cost and all. So here, since we don't have it for a year, I think we can manage it. Okay.
Yeah.
The membership award, this is what we have already qualified. So VP membership, you get the plaque, Okay. So Vishal, because we have not Vishal, sorry, Abrar. Abrar, you get a plaque already because we have renewed 80% of the membership base. Okay, from 15 to 15, which is as per the base which is on first. Our base was 20, so 16. Or they were saying if we had to miss this, we could have done it in this uh, period also. But we have done it. So congratulations, VP membership.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank everyone. This wouldn't be possible without me and only me. No, no. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Gopal,
Yeah,
Eden, and Vishal.
good. And the ones who will watch this video later who are not here.
Oh,
Okay, great. So yes, that's it. But again, we realize that once we work together, things can happen. Okay.
yes, yes.
The Preston Award is for clubs to add 10 or more members by 31st March. So we have time. We have time and retain 80% of its membership base as on first. That means we have to now, if we retain 16 of what we had out of the 20, what we started with, if we retain those 16 members and add 10 more, which means we have already added 2, right? So 8 more throughout. Okay. So we have time for this. And it says in both renewal cycles. So this renewal cycle.
It's or either of them. If we focus on retention, then we
Oh,
don't
okay.
have to focus
Okay.
on
Okay.
new
Sorry.
members.
Yes, I missed that. Okay, great. So if you do that, we get a plug for a club. And again, this is also very, I think something that we can do. Okay, because it says in both renewal cycles. So first renewal cycle is over, we have retained. The second renewal cycle, which is in March, we will also have to retain them. Okay. Next, growth leader. So if you know there is any, if you know that there's any place wherein we can open a club or something, and if you just give them a lead to the district, okay, and let's say you don't have to do anything, you just give them a lead saying that, hey, this is a nice place, maybe we can have a club here. The district, the division will go and follow it up and all that. And if by chance it gets chartered, then you get a toast, this thing, what is that, an award for a growth leader. Okay, whoever does it.
I was thinking about in my college.
Yes. Yeah, it can. We can of course do it.
My teacher is an old Toastmasters, as in he used to be a Toastmaster.
So we can always look at that.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, we will we'll inform the ADs and division director about it, and they can take a lead. Okay. Good. Helping Hands, again, a club which has less than 15 members. So far, I think there is one club, Mapsa, if I'm not mistaken. If you can give speeches and all. Porvorim, not Mapsa, sorry. Then we could get this for the club. We are lesson in conducting meeting, giving speeches. So if Vishal, if possible, if you can write to them or to their VPH saying that, hey, if at all you need, role players or, this thing, what is that? Speeches or anytime, then they can contact you and then you can pass it on to us. Makes sense, right?
Definitely.
So then we can do this because it is supported them. They have to send it by 31st March, so we have time. And they have to send an email to this. So later, then we have to tell them. The president will have to. Administration awards, transparency in administration. Okay. Now this is. To maintain minutes of all club meetings through the year, okay, with any decisions ratified in the club meetings. So this is for Eden N. You're already doing it. You're doing a good job. Okay, let's continue like this. Circulate the minutes within 2 days of the meeting. So whenever you say, hey, the minutes are up on the drive or something, provide a link in the group so that there is a record that, hey, you have circulated it. Okay, and everything is it's on cloud storage, so not a problem. Maintain also of executive committee minutes throughout the year and any decisions proposed, ratified and all that. Within 3 days, you have to circulate and record has to be maintained. So we are doing it already. We have started. I think it's a practice that's going on pretty well. Let's continue with it. So what will happen is the club roster, which has to be uploaded on time through Club Central, both cycles. So that we're doing anyway and it's done. Yes. Sorry, hold on. I think I. Yes. And then the area director will verify it and the club gets a plaque. Okay. And for president and secretaries in both terms. Okay, if at all, but ours is one term, right? We're doing the same term for a year. So this would be the recognition for club and particularly for the president and secretary. Then finance manager, this is what I was telling treasurer. We are in the right direction. We're doing everything. Clear and accurate accounts of all transactions. Okay. Publish the consolidated accounts to the members of the club for each term. So we will be doing that. We will be giving them the accounts in the AOB session and appoint either an audit committee or independent auditors to audit the same and publish the audit report to the members after the audit. So we will do that. We will do this. We can take help of area directors, and it has to be done before 30th April. But they said for each term, which means our term is for 1 year, but it would be better if we can consult, let's say, the treasurers of the other clubs and find out what is their way of maintaining, you know, accounts. So if they have a particular way, then we could maybe replicate it a little bit because now we are starting with a new cycle, right? So that can be done. Once the bank account gets opened, it will be much more easier as well. So treasurer, this is especially for you, and you are doing a good job so far. And hence I'm saying, you know, we can aim for this. Okay, the club gets a plaque. At the same time, there's social recognition for the president and treasurers. So let's focus on this as well. PRM awards, I know this Meenal will definitely, is somebody who can really do this because she's already doing such a wonderful job. She's being noticed by members across the clubs for whatever work she does. So we will,
excellent job.
yes. So we will do like a PR campaign and something like that for non-members, and that should be good. Okay. Yeah. So that is about the awards, and we will try to achieve it. Okay, before we listen. Very quickly, we've got 5 minutes before we end the meeting. If there's anything else you want to bring up, very briefly, you can say that. And if not, we will have a closing remarks and we will end the meeting. Yes, Abrar, can we start with you?
Hi. This was in regards to the opening of accounts with any of the banks. Last time, for the last XCOM meeting, we were considering HDFC or ICICI because one of the club members, one of the club members from ICG or someone, they had suggested. But in fact, there is Kotak Mahindra Bank, which is very much interested in case if we want to open it, and they are okay with giving us a proposal. But here I would like to know from the other treasurers or maybe the area director, so what kind of account we need and the services what we are looking out. In that way, I think we can actually not just do it for our club. It will be a smooth process for all the clubs across Goa if they are interested, if and only if.
Okay. So very quickly, Abrar, good that we have something in place. What I would suggest is if you could work with the treasurer and have a quick call with the AD and propose this to him, and if they give it a go, whatever, we can do that. If not, internally we can decide which bank we want to open an account with, what are the requirements and all you can get, and we will take a call from there. So let's have substantial data when we are presenting it to anybody outside the club. Okay, so I don't know about you're having like a smooth, not smooth, what I say, a uniformity in the banks and all that for the other clubs, but at least for our club we can look at it. Okay, so if you could just work with the treasurer, have a quick call with the treasurer and AD, okay, and see how it goes, right? Okay, great.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Vishal, want to add anything?
No, Anthony, everything is fine.
Okay.
In the agenda.
Yes. Secretary?
No, nothing.
Okay, great. Gopal?
No specific thing from my side.
Okay, great. So I think with this, we have discussed everything that was on the agenda. If you have anything else to add or anything that comes up, please feel free to put it up on the WhatsApp group. Eden and will circulate the minutes very soon. Okay. So with this, we adjourn the executive committee 3. Okay, the meeting. And yes, have a wonderful Sunday ahead. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.